Hello and welcome to this video explaining all about the mantilla veil, that beautiful style that has no gathering at the top. Today I'm going to show you 3 simple and beautiful ways to wear a mantilla wedding veil with your hair, so let's get started. The first style is perhaps the most traditional. Position the mantilla about 2 to 3 inches back from your hairline. This creates that classic romantic frame around the face, and it lets the lace edging really stand out. You can secure it lightly with pins or with the small comb that is normally attached to the mantilla. Here you see it with the loose waves. That is probably most popular. That old Hollywood glam, very vintage and very timeless. Use small, strong bobby pins, especially when wearing your hair down, as this is the most difficult way for positioning. You want to make sure it's not going to move around. You want to tease or lightly backcomb the section of hair where the veil is going to sit, because this gives the pins something to latch onto. You definitely want to use some hairspray or texturizing spray on the roots of your hair before pinning so that you prevent slipping. Your hairstylist should be able to help walk you through this, and these little steps really make a difference in helping the mantilla stay in place throughout all of your ceremony and your photos, and even if there's some wind. For a more modern and relaxed look, try placing the mantilla about 5 to 6 inches back from the hairline, a little bit further back towards the crown of your head. This gives your hairstyle more visibility while still keeping all the elegance of the lace framing. A little bit less traditional, a little bit more modern. Last but not least is wearing the veil with the updo. For some reason, you don't see as many mantilla veils paired with updos online, on social media, but it's definitely possible, and hopefully these videos give you some inspiration. They look stunning with an updo. For this style, place the veil at the top of the low bun. I generally recommend it with a low bun, not a high bun, just because the high bun can make the mantilla stick out kind of awkwardly. You want to place it a little bit further back, depending on how high up your bun is sitting. Test it out with your hairstylist to make sure that it's not bumping up in a weird way. It's especially beautiful for brides who want that clean, polished look while still showing off the lace of their mantilla. This is just a bonus. I thought this was so pretty how the bride wore it with a half-up hairstyle. It's really versatile. It blends that elegance of an updo with the softness of wearing her hair down. Just thought it was too pretty not to share. There you have it. The 3 most classic ways of wearing the mantilla with your hairstyle. Mantillas are actually my personal favorite. If you need inspiration, please check out the description. I'd be happy to give a recommendation based on your wedding dress and based on your venue. Take care.